Ariel. Thanks for coming back and watching this video, and if you haven't watched my last, please go and watch that as well. All packed for my contract. I leave tomorrow to head down to Tampa, and I will be moving into the apartments. Basically, I will just be moving in tomorrow. Rehearsals don't start until Friday morning. You'll be picked up in the cast van. I meet probably a lot of my cast tomorrow, which is exciting, but it also brings a lot of nerves for me. I get a little quiet when I meet new people, so if anyone in my cast is watching this, please know I will open up eventually. I'm just shy at first, but I am so excited to meet you. Tomorrow morning, I'll be documenting getting everything into the car and my road trip down to Tampa. It's only about like an hour and a half to 2 hours from where we live in Orlando. I'm about to go clean my car and get it all squared away so that it has space for me to put my luggage and just so it's like fresh and clean, because right now there's like sand from the beach in it. So let's go clean my car. Okay, everyone, the car is packed. We are ready to drive to Tampa. I just left my house and it was very, very, very bittersweet. I'm gonna try not to get choked up while I talk about this, but I'm just feeling so thankful for the time that I had at home with my family. Just so many sweet memories that I'm gonna miss, but we'll definitely cherish. Anyways, I just know I'm gonna see them on Saturday. I'm driving back up for my sister's graduation party, but it's still not easy to, you know, kind of pack up your life and go to the next chapter. And I'm so excited because it's one step closer to seeing Nimesh. Nimesh is my fiance. He's actually working on board the Splendor right now. And I will get to see him. We'll be able to do a majority of our contract together. We have now been long distance for almost another 6 months, which is not easy at all. Long distance is not for the faint of heart. Anyways, I think it's like 40 days until I see him, which seems like a lot, but like for us, that's nothing compared to like the time we've waited. So can't wait to see him. Okay, I just stopped at Trader Joe's and got all the goods. Well, now I'm stopping for some Chick-fil-A. Probably gonna be my lunch and dinner since it's almost 3, but that's where I'm headed. Hello everyone, I have finally made it to Tampa. It was an hour and a half to 2 hour drive, but I made it and I'm the first one here, which means I got to choose which bed I wanted. There are 4 girls to an apartment, so I got to choose my bed. I chose the one closest to the window, and I brought all my things up from the car, which was a hassle. We are on the 2nd floor, so it was a lot of work, but it's okay. I did it all, and now I'll give you an apartment tour. Okie dokie, so right when you walk in, this is the living room, and then we have our kitchen as well. We have a lot of closet space, which is really nice. We'll each get a shelf. But then, as you can see, we have a kitchen space over here. I chose this cabinet. That's where I'm putting all of my food, vitamins, water bottles, and then we have a whole fridge as well. So there's all of my groceries. At the moment, I'll probably get more. This is my room. So there's gonna be 2 of us in here. For now, I'm gonna be the one staying by the window. We do have lots of space to put all of our clothes in, as well as a walk-in closet, which is kind of nice. There's so much space in here. We're each given like a beach towel, a shower towel, and a laundry basket. And then there's basically just the same thing on the other side. So that is another room where 2 other girls are gonna be staying. So I am the only one here so far. I don't have any friends yet, but we'll get there. Hi guys, I did want to let you know that I'm all moved in. I put away all my things. My suitcases are in the closet. We're all organized. No one is yet here. I think they're probably being picked up from the airport right now, but I'm here all alone, so I might go say hi to some friends that were my previous cast. I'm gonna work out, I'm gonna shower, pack my lunch for tomorrow, and probably go to bed early. But I did make it. I'm doing good, and yeah, we're all moved in. Hi guys! I got done a little earlier with my first day of rehearsal at the Creative Studios, and it was so much fun. My cast is so sweet. So many people from different places and different countries, which is kind of fun. I'm excited to like learn more about all of them and where they come from. The shows are going to be so fun. A lot of like rock, country, commercial style music, which is just going to be so much fun. We started learning a Queen bumper, so that's like a 7-minute number. It's just like a sneak peek of something we'll do right at the beginning of the cruise to like showcase to the guests kind of like a taste of what we offer and like if they want to come and see our shows. So I'm really excited about that. The Queen music's really fun. I love the rock. But yeah, I'm looking forward to tomorrow, another full day of rehearsal, and then we have Sunday and Monday off, which is really fun. We'll be able to have the holiday Memorial Day off, so it's going to be good. I'm going to drive home and be with family a little bit more. So yeah, excited for tomorrow.